Looking to get away from Vancouver for the weekend? Well, Portland is a great option. Vlogger nga pala ako. Nakalimutan. Let's go! Tignan natin kung pareho na naman kami ng suot ni Thea. Joke. Ano, Flixbus. Excuse me, miss. Last time we showed you what traveling to Portland via bus is like. This time we'll show you more of that and where to stay. This is a review of the Bidwell Hotel in Portland. Thank you sa food. Tingnan nyo naman. Meron kaming wala siya ka lang stop for lunch. Oo. I'll just not. Yeah. So make sure to bring your bawat guys kapag mag-chip kayo ng ganito kasi 8 hours siya papuntang Portland. Good lang. Kung wala kaming nuring, gutom na kami. Siyempre gawa nito din lang.
Alright, ladies and gents, I got a lot.
Ayun na guys, ito na kami welcome to
Alright, ladies and gents, this is the final and last stop for this bus, so make sure you...
Sa pasamay. Rico. Game. First, ating business of the day.
Finally today.
Ganda. May swimming pool, no? Fitness center lang. Oo, fitness center lang. Tignan mo, ballroom. 15th floor. Oh, nice. Wow.
Oh, they have those, pero walang Keurig.
Ano yan?
Ay, saan ko kwan tubig?
Tama ba?
Uy, may Keurig.
Every floor daw meron, best. Kaya they're a green hotel, so they don't have water bottles like that.
Oh.
Pero there's a water station every floor.
Oh, okay.
Ay, just pick up.
Na malaki.
Because our hotel is green, kaya ganito.
Pero sa mundo ng plastic.
Pero made with corn daw yun.
Nalagay niya.
I don't know what that process is like, but whatever.
Uy, wala yun na. Wala tubig.
Tigilan mo na daw. Ayaw na talaga. Malis na kayo dito. Tigilan yan. Nakadalawang bote na kayo. Ayun. Na-sense niya na, niloloko mo siya. Okay, let's go.
What's 10 hours later, we're here.
What's that? What's our view? What's our view?
Here we go. There's more parking lot.
There's more parking lot. We're in the 15th floor. Hello, USA. Chart.
Hello, USA. You're quite Portland.
Good morning, Portland! We're gonna go to this boulangerie over here and see how good it is. Our hotel includes a $30 credit, so we got a little bit of food there, but Noreen is gonna get her bougie coffee in a boulangerie.
It's a microwave. Opo! Ay, pinili ko pala kayo! Salamat po!
Thank you po! Guys, may Pilipino kahit saan ka magpunta. Ang saya-saya!
Overall, I give it a 3 out of 5 stars. The staff were obviously amazing. The housekeeping manager, or maybe the hotel manager, we're not entirely sure, but he came up to us in the hotel lobby when we were booking for our Japanese garden tickets, and he was also Filipino, and he gave us these great tips on where to go. The general location of the hotel is great. I think most of what we've seen of downtown Portland had a notable homeless population. However, it is in an area where you could feel decently safe, but not too far from the must-see places to visit. We were able to easily use transit or walk to essential landmarks as well from there.
Unfortunately, when I got back to Vancouver, I found out that I was actually charged the $30 for the food credits both times. Just because I actually used room service, so I called into the restaurant instead of picking it up or buying it. I was not informed that it needed to be either a takeout from the restaurant or a dining one. I was just told you can order so long as it's $30 per day. So I ended up paying for it, which makes it from an exceptional experience to an average one. That was a very big deal for me, just because I thought it was great that you get $30 a day of credit, plus the Japanese garden tickets. I tried to call them and explain, but they couldn't refund the money to me, so that experience and the hassle just kind of made some of that experience not so great. That said, it is still a Marriott hotel, so if you are wanting to go to Portland, I would still recommend you stay there.
Will I go back? We'll see. If it's a good deal, I don't see why not. I have found my favorite place in Portland, and so at least I will definitely go back into the city. Next up on the vlog, where to eat in Portland, all that food tour coming up.